Let's talk about how to cook the perfect steak. You got to start out with the perfect meat. And we choose, Colorado craft beef. It's very delicious. Holy crap, established 1917? I didn't realize that, Sharon, did you?
I knew that they were the 5th generation.
5 generations of craft beef. That's freaking awesome. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start out with these beauties, and I've brought them up to room temp. Super simple. I'm gonna hit them with some delicious sea salt and a little cracked pepper. You can ruin your steak if you want with other kinds of accoutrement. That is all I want. Some good sea salt and some good pepper. I'm gonna give them a flippy flip, and I'm gonna hit them on the other side. You don't need to go crazy either. The next thing is the grill. Let's go. All right, so first things first is we need heat. We're not cooking steaks at like 300 degrees. I got this grill cranking. We're over 500. Ready? All right, so here we go. You've heard the saying, if it's open, it shouldn't be. Close the damn grill. Temp's already dropped 75 to 80 degrees just from opening it that little bit. So we're gonna let that come back up. So those were about 1-inch thick steaks. You know, for me, it's like the first digit of my thumb. About 1 inch thick on a fatty cut of beef like that. I'm gonna go probably 5 minutes for this first side, and I'm gonna flip them. With all that fat, though, you could get a grease fire, so you don't wanna go far from the grill. 5 minutes, timing it. Here we go. So we are 5 minutes in, we're back up over 500. Let's go quick. Scoot, scoot, look at that, let's go. All right, we're gonna go 5 more. So right now, actually we're gonna go 4. So we will go 4, and let's go. So something I'll add while this is cooking on the second side. Listen, I'm gonna put my mic right by the grill. Can you hear all that grease popping? You hear that grease popping off of there? You've got to be careful with a fatty cut of meat like this. People ruin them all the time because they walk away from the grill only concerned about time and temp. You get a grease fire going and you destroy a cut of meat, so you got to pay attention. You hear it? Oh my God, you guys, it's going to be so good. We're getting close. All right, so we're at the tail end of the second side. Temp stayed up over 500. Let's check it out. Ready? Ready? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. See that? Oh, that is going to be delicious. Look at that. That's what we're looking for right there. So let's take them in. We're going to let them rest for a minute. Look at that. We're going to let them rest for a minute in the house, and then we're going to slice them up. Look at that. Look at that. You guys. All right, so now we got to cut this son of a buck and see what it looks like. Ready? Let's do that. Let's just take her right in half. So what do you think? Did our method work? High heat. We got to know the thickness. This is about 1 inch, which, like I said, is like the first digit of my thumb. Salt, pepper, and of course you got to start out with good beef. Thank you, Colorado craft beef. Now get in my stomach. Oh my God. More. All right, shut up and eat.